Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. In today's video, we're gonna be getting into the Christmas spirit, getting into the holiday spirit, just decorating, getting ready for Christmas, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. I just got ready. Devin and I are actually gonna do some Christmas shopping. It has been so busy out, so I would like to get our Christmas shopping done today. So we're gonna do some Christmas shopping, come back, we're gonna put up the tree today, decorate for Christmas today, and then if I don't get anything done, we're gonna finish everything up tomorrow. Today is Saturday. It's the weekend before Thanksgiving. Typically November 1st, it's like Christmas. I wanna have the tree up. I'm like in the Christmas spirit and I'm ready. We've just been so busy lately that we're setting up the tree a little bit later this year. I'm like extra excited to set it up since it's already November 23rd, which is crazy. So that is the plan for today's video. It's gonna be a fun one of my favorite videos to film every single year. We're gonna get to the holiday spirit, Christmas spirit, set up the tree together, and just have a good day, weekend, however long it takes me. But Devin is waiting for me downstairs, so I'm gonna hurry. We're gonna do some Christmas shopping and then see where the day takes us. So let's get started. I don't love this one. We are back home. That was such a good time. Devin and I had such a good, just like Christmassy morning, afternoon together, Christmas shopping. We went out to lunch and a lot of places were already having sales, which I wasn't really sure if they would, but a lot of places had their Black Friday sales going, which is great. So I'm pretty sure everything that we got was on a really good sale too, like 30 to 60% off. We got 3 people done, which is like pretty much the only Christmas shopping we had left. So I would say we're like 95% of the way done with Christmas shopping, which is amazing, before Thanksgiving. And then we can spend the whole like month of December just like focusing on Christmas activities, doing other Christmassy things besides Christmas shopping. So I'm very excited about that. But I'm gonna show you guys what we got. I'm not gonna show the gifts that we got, obviously. I'll show you some of the Christmas PJs that I got. And I got a few things from American Eagle. And I also have my Christmas decor back here that's new this season that I will show you guys as well. But I will start with what I got from American Eagle. Some of this gifts, so I need to kind of like pick through here. But first thing that I got for myself are these PJs from American Eagle. I think they're so pretty. I don't really have very many like seasonal PJs and I've been wanting some. I have some here from Target that I'm going to show you guys too, but I saw these at American Eagle. They had a bunch of different styles. I really liked the red and I also like how it's a long sleeve and a short set too. I got mine in a size small. I hope this fits. Oh, you want to lay on mommy's PJs? Okay. But if you guys can feel them, they are so soft. They're like a really light, like kind of like fleecy material. Would you like to see? Yeah, you like mommy's new PJs? Oh, thank you. But I'm probably not gonna wear these tonight. Maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna wear these ones because they have pants. I self-tanned last night and I did not tan my legs. I didn't think I'd be wearing shorts and then I got these today. So we'll have to save these until next time I self-tan and I don't have pale legs and tan arms. But, okay. Yeah, these, I love these. They're so soft, super cute. I'll link them down below for you guys. And I think someone else likes them as well. Next thing that I got, let's see here. Oh, I got some pants and I either have jeans or sweatpants. And so I thought these were like a good in between. They're not really a cargo, they're more of a jean, but look how pretty this color is. I thought that this would be perfect for fall, for winter, year round. I got mine in a size 4 and I love these. I have no idea if they're gonna fit. I haven't tried any of this on. I just kind of grabbed it. Devin was with me. There's no time to try on when you're shopping with a guy. It's like go, go, go. So I didn't try these on. I'll try them on at home and then return them if I need to, but I really like these. I love the color. They're like a straight, I think. Yeah, they're a straight leg. And then last thing I got, I'm obsessed with this. I am like trying to push myself out of my comfort zone a little bit with my style, and I saw this sweater and I thought it was so pretty. It's definitely very like preppy, proper, but I like that, especially for the winter months. But it's like this white kind of like cream boucle sweater, and then it has gold detailing on it, like these gold buttons. I did get a small. You guys know I love my clothes oversized, but I feel like with something like this, I would want it to fit like pretty true to size, and I just think it's so pretty. So I got this, and I thought that this would be a really cute outfit together, like this cream sweater with the gold and then these pants. Like I said, I haven't tried any of this on, so it could not fit, it could not look good together, but I'm really excited about this too. I think it's really pretty. This was $69.99, but everything from American Eagle that we got was 30% off. Okay, so that is all I got actually for myself. I thought I got more, but that's all. The rest are gifts, which I'm not going to show. But from Target the other day, I got these PJs. I just washed them so they're not as crisp. I love like they have like little gingerbread houses, sugar cookies, wreaths, and they all have like little faces on them. And I thought that they were so cute. I did not get Devin a matching pair. And then as far as new Christmas decor goes for this year, I was actually pretty good. I didn't get too much, but I did get a few new things because this Christmas, I talked about this in my last video, I'm kind of like channeling that vintage Christmas feel with like more darker tones, like darker reds, golds, greens. And so I got a few things to kind of go along with the darker kind of like maroon, just like darker red tones. I didn't want to get a lot, honestly. The first thing that I got, these are from Hobby Lobby. I thought these were really pretty. They're like these jingle bells for the Christmas tree. They were $9.99 a piece, but they were half off, so $5. I also got these books from Kirkland's. I'm not crazy about them, but I feel like they could look good mixed with like other real books, but they're pretty much like these hollow books that you can open if you would like, I guess, and store something in there. But they're more of like, once again, that like vintagey feel. So it comes with a small one and this big one here, which is nice too for like storage of something, even like a TV remote, I guess. So I might put these on our TV stand. I'm not quite sure, but I think I got these on sale. I think they were $19.99 for the set of 2, which once again is not too bad. I'm obviously on a jingle bell theme this year because I also got these jingle bells from Target. These are 16 bells for $10. These are not Christmas ornaments. These are actually vase fillers. So I think I'm gonna put these, I don't know, I was either thinking in the bowl on our coffee table or we have like the clear jars on our TV stand. I'm not sure, but I have a few places in mind for these. I think that these are gonna look, they're really loud. Those are gonna look really pretty. I did get 2 packs of them just in case we need more. And the last big thing that I got for Christmas this year is this garland. I ordered this from Amazon. It's from the National Tree Company. I think they're a bigger brand on Amazon. And we're gonna put this in the kitchen on the cabinets right there, and I think it'll be really pretty. I hope so. And I hope I got the right measurements. I did not feel like going and getting a tape measure, so I eyeballed it. That is everything I think that is new this season. And then I have all my Christmas decor over here. So we're gonna start decorating. I think first thing, I don't know, I was gonna put the tree up, but I kind of want to do the smaller decor first while it's light out. It's already 3 o'clock, so I know it's gonna get dark here soon. I feel like the Christmas tree is something that we can do at night. So I think I'm gonna go through what I have, start putting some things out, and then we'll do the tree later tonight so Devin can help as well because we like doing the Christmas tree together. We might get a glass of wine, put up the tree together. It is Saturday, but we're gonna turn on some Christmas music, see what decor we have, and start decorating. And I'm so excited. Let's look at the garland. I'm scared. Ooh, it looks pretty. We are in the car. We need to run out for a few things. I'm gonna run to Target, Hobby Lobby, and then I need to run to get my parents' dog because they are out and about tonight and they asked if we could watch her. But you guys, everything is coming along so well. You know how sometimes when you decorate and it's just like nothing really flows, like you just don't know where to put anything, and other times it just like flows really well and everything looks really good. That's how, like, in my opinion, I feel like everything is looking really good. It feels so cozy. I think it's with the new age, 27. It's like I turned late 20s and I like the darker, cozier colors. But I need to run to Target because I searched everywhere for a battery operated garland. Thought I ordered one. That garland, you guys, was like $70. I was like, okay, well, at least it's battery operated. It's not battery operated. It's not worth, like, I really like it. It's pretty. Not gonna return it. So I need to run and get an extension cord for that. Somehow lost. Don't have any of my Christmas pillows, so I'd like to look at Target for those. Now that I'm saying this, I feel like I remember saying this last year. We had terrible movers last year and we lost a lot of our things and a lot of our things were damaged. And so I think that's where a lot of our Christmas stuff went. It's just gone. So if we can't find anything, honestly, it's fine. I have plenty. I would just like to look, you know, for those few things. You guys, I am still not used to this time change. I was like, I hope I can make it to Hobby Lobby before they close. They close at 8. It's 4:30. I just got home and I put on my Christmas PJs. I'm gonna pour myself a glass of wine. We're gonna put the tree up, but I wanted to show you guys what they look like on. These are so cute and cozy. If I can find them on Target's website, I will link them down below for you guys. It is like a week and a half later. I'm editing this video and realize I never closed it out. Like, I never showed you guys the apartment, never did anything past putting up the Christmas tree. So I want to get this video up. I'm already getting it up a lot later than I wanted to. So I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of how everything turned out so I can get this edited and uploaded for you. But it's very simple, but honestly, I love the simplicity of it too. Like, I feel like it's just the right amount of coziness and decor. We don't really decorate our bedroom or anything. So it's really just the kitchen and the living room and then a little bit in the entryway. So it'll probably be a quick overview. I am also in the process of hanging curtains right now. So it's a little messy down here. Okay, so this is our entryway table. I love the Christmas tree with the books, especially since I have the bookshelves here. I like the books over here too. It just kind of like pulls everything together. We have a candle warmer with a snickerdoodle candle in it. And then for the books, I did actually take the book covers off of some of them that were red and white. So that way it's a little bit more festive with the green Christmas tree. This is from Target. I got it last year, but they have some really cute ones this year as well. I love when the candle warmer's on. I can turn it on really quickly. It just makes it cozy in here, and it also makes it just smell like Christmas too. Okay, going upstairs though, this is my favorite part. The kitchen is probably my favorite. So this is the living room, and then this is the kitchen. I do need to flip the garland there. It looks like it's out, but it's not. Even though it was expensive, like I said, I think it was like $60 or $70. I feel like it really kind of like pulls everything together in the kitchen. I did have to plug in the extension cord over here, which it doesn't look the best, but once again, it works. And when we're watching TV, when we have all of the lights out, I can turn this light off. You can't really tell, it did not make that big of a difference, but when we're watching TV at night, it almost feels like a second Christmas tree in here just because it kind of like illuminates the kitchen. And then down here we have a candle warmer with winter nights. This is by Sensational, but it pretty much smells exactly like Bath & Body Works Balsam Fir, so it smells like a Christmas tree. And then we have our little hot chocolate bar sign here. And then the last thing in the kitchen are the little reindeers, which I think these are so cute on these white shelves. And then we have a hot cocoa candle, once again by Sensational. This smells like hot cocoa and cream, I think it is, by Bath & Body Works. If you're looking for good non-toxic candles, Sensational are my favorite. They smell really good, they last a long time, they're made with coconut and beeswax. Pretty affordable, I always leave the price tags on them. Yeah, $7.99. And like I said, they last a while, and I think they look really cute too. And then moving into the living room, this blanket is new. It is from Home Goods. I thought it kind of like reminded me of snow. It's just like so plush and white. So I thought that this was pretty. So this is new this year for Christmas. I did not end up getting any Christmas pillows. Just couldn't really find any that I loved, so I feel like these work. I mean, they're like white and tan, so they kind of go with everything. For the coffee table, you guys saw me decorate this, but we have our little vase filler in our bowl, a white Christmas tree, and the TV stand, which in person, it looks really good. We hung our TV, let me like sit back here. We hung our TV a little bit too low, so we really can't do anything like too tall, otherwise it goes in front of the TV since our TV stand is a little bit smaller. Ooh, look how cute that looks with the Christmas tree. We have the vase filler, and then we have the jingle bells and the books. I also like how when you're watching TV, the gold from this Christmas tree also kind of ties in with the jingle bells. Just kind of like all flows together. And then last big thing to show you guys are our stockings and the Christmas tree. I always hang our stockings on a blanket ladder. That's like a little hack that I have. If you're renting or you don't have a mantle and you don't want holes in your wall year round, you can actually just get a blanket ladder. And I put these little just like thumbtacks in there, and then you can just hang them on there and they work. And I haven't had any issues ever with it falling. And the tree, which I didn't show you guys the wrapping paper in this video, I did it a few vlogs ago, but this is how the wrapping paper looks, and I think it looks really pretty together. We have like the reds, the greens, the golds, and then we also have like little hints of brown in there. It's really dark because I'm going back downstairs, but we don't really decorate like our bedroom or anything. I did end up putting a Christmas tree though in our master bathroom just to add like something Christmassy upstairs, especially like when I get up early in the morning and I want like just a little bit of light because it does light up. So I'll insert a picture of that right here. And that's really the only decor that we have that's not in our kitchen, living room, or in our entryway right here. I do also just want to make the little disclaimer that our Christmas tree is really small. I'm not really big. Like I was editing this and I'm like, I'm the same size as our Christmas tree. It's a tree that we've had, it's a tree actually that I've had since my college apartment. So it's meant for an apartment. We got this apartment last year and it has really tall ceilings, so it makes the tree look even smaller. So she is a baby tree. It does the job. Every year, Devin and I say we want to get a new tree, and then we look at the prices and we're like, we'll just keep the one that we have. And honestly, at this point, I think we're planning on buying a house, hopefully in January 2026 when our lease ends here. And we'll probably just end up waiting and getting a new tree for our first, or when we have our first Christmas and a house. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I do also just want to say that a December reset is coming. I'm just working on finishing up a certain template that I would like to use in my reset. So I want to film it this week and have it edited hopefully by December 8th. I know it's kind of late. It is very late actually, but it will be up, even though it's a little bit later. And then we're gonna do also at the end of this month, we will do like a 2024 recap and then a 2025 reset as well. So we will have multiple resets this month. They are coming. If you are new here, make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.